Hello guys, welcome to Indicator Factory, your go-to place for everything which is related to Forex trading. Today we have brought for you an amazing trading strategy which is very popular among the new and advanced traders because of its accuracy and authenticity, as it minimizes the chances of risk and maximizes your profit and makes your trade very easy for you. If you learn this strategy well, you can make a lot of profit with it. So be sure to learn it thoroughly and watch the entire video to get a complete understanding of the strategy. Now let's look at the live trading graph. You can customize this indicator with various settings available. You can change the line colors and thickness. I will adjust the line thickness so you can see how we can fully customize this indicator to our preference. The way it is easy for use for us. So now you can see there are two colors in front of you, green, blue, and red. But first of all, you should know that for this indicator or strategy we have to work in the M30 time frame, and this will be beneficial for us. Now if you know that there is a two-color line which is red and blue. So whenever the line changes color, it is an indication for us to buy or sell you. I have marked the point where the line has changed color from red to blue, and I'll also mark the other points where the line has changed color when the line change color from red to blue. It means it is an upgoing trend, or we have to buy at that point. Or whenever the arrow points upward, it means it's an upgoing trend. And secondly, whenever the line goes from red to blue to red, it means it is a downgoing trend, or whenever the arrow points downward, which I have marked. And second thing which you must know, that you have to buy or sell from the very next candle, not the same candle with the line has changed color from the next candle after the line has changed color. So these 2 to 3 things which you should keep in mind. Also you can keep a track of the arrow, that what color is the arrow or what direction is the arrow pointing, so that you should know that what trend is going on south. This strategy is very simple and you can easily interpret it, as you can see that I have marked every single point on the line where you have to buy or sell, so you should. It must be easy for you now. Read the signals which are provided to you by this strategy. Also you should see that the candles behind it are exactly following the color of the line. As I have told you earlier, that red and blue, when the line changes color from red to blue, it means it is a buy entry, and when the line changes color from blue to red, it is a sell entry, and you have to buy or sell from the very next candle. So these are 2 to 3 things which you must keep in mind. One thing I was telling you, that the candles behind which represent the market are exactly following the line pattern, the red and blue line pattern, which means the accuracy of this indicator or this strategy is very much and very high. It means we can say that from this chart which is in front of you, the accuracy of this strategy is about 90%, and you can easily implement it. Daily trading, and you can make a lot of profit from it. I am now going to make prominent the buy and sell entries, so that you should easily know that at what point to buy and at what point to sell. And for a person with a normal IQ, it is very easy to buy and sell using this strategy. Now I am zooming this so that you must know that how much is the candles or the market are corresponding with this strategy. So you can see that the correspondence is great, and it is a very accurate strategy. So I think you must try this strategy, because it is very popular, and as well as it is very authentic and accurate, as I have showed it right in front of you, that this indicator is very much feasible for you to use in your daily life trading, and it is very, very simple to use. when a person with low knowledge can use it. Now let's check another trade and see that if indicator provides this same strategy or same accuracy or not. Now you can see the line has changed color from red to blue. And now we'll mark another point where the line has changed color and from the very next candle after changing color, and now another point and the next candle and now another candle. So let's see that if the indicator if the strategy provides the same output or not. And you can see that the blue line was the same amount that the market went up. And you can see that if you have buy or sell, according to this indicator, you would have made a lot of profit and it is very good for you. And you can see that the market is completely exactly corresponding with the pattern of the line created by this. Sure. Please provide the text that you'd like me to shorten by 61%. That's how we can say. This is a highly accurate strategy. You should try it with your own trading. If you also want more such strategies and accurate signals, then join our Telegram channel. The link has been provided to you in the description. Make sure to know that this video is for education purpose only, and applying any strategy without knowing what it is and how it works can be harmful for you. So make sure to learn about the strategy first and then applying it to your trading, or else apply it on your own risk. If you want a free strategy, you can contact us using the link in the description. Reach out and we'll provide any strategy you need. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.